The trigger law has gone into effect and makes abortions a felony in the state of Texas. The only way an abortion can be performed is if a woman's life is in immediate danger. Now, local experts and Texans are weighing in on how this trigger law will impact women moving forward. Research from the University of Texas found that last year's Heartbeat Act forced nearly 1,400 women out of the state for abortion care each month. A local supporter of abortion rights who wants to remain anonymous says the trigger law will only make things worse for women who aren't ready to have a child.
It is heartbreaking how this is going to be in conjunction with the 6-week law that we already have in Texas, because women do not know at 6 weeks. You're lucky if you know.
The trigger law increases criminal and civil penalties associated with abortion in Texas. Performing an abortion is now a second-degree felony, punishable by up to life in prison, and is subject to a civil penalty of at least $100,000 plus attorney's fees. To help women who still choose to have an abortion out of state, the Trust, Respect, Access Coalition helps women find their resources and help them make their own choice.
People are the experts of their own stories, and they should be able to talk to whichever legislature they want to about what is happening in their communities. And so we really want to make sure that folks are aware of what is happening, what they can do, and what resources can still be provided for folks regardless of immigration status or zip code.
Over the last few years, the San Angelo City Council has gone back and forth on whether to make the city a sanctuary for the unborn. The council decided to leave the decision up to voters in November. Sanctuary Cities for the Unborn founder Mark Lee Dixon is glad the trigger laws will penalize those who attempt to perform abortions in the state.
I think the penalties being upped against the abortionists is a great thing for Texas. We don't need them in our state.
Officials predict that the number of women seeking an abortion who will be unable to get one will increase by at least 10 to 20%. Idaho and Tennessee will also have trigger laws going into effect today. North Dakota's trigger law will go into effect on Friday. Adriana Alexander, Fox West Texas.